Actually, we are discussing two major trends ngayon. Now, one of this major trend is the artificial intelligence. So, pwede ba tayong kumita using AI? Ang pangalawang major trend na i-discussin natin is the the future of a digital currency, no? So, artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. So, if you're using any of this application na makikita natin sa screen, that means we are already exposed, no, to artificial intelligence. So again, the challenge is always, are we spending time and money with this technology or are we earning from it? And then that exactly, yun po yung i-cover natin tonight, paano ba tayo kumikita using this technology, no? And the company that I'm going to introduce, no, na makatulong natin sa AI is Oro Foundation, no? Foundation is an A, all of their products are powered by artificial intelligence. And this company is a decentralized fintech company. Pag sinabing decentralized, walang mga middleman yung transactions natin. No, if we do transaction, no, from person to person, no, it doesn't need an approval from a middleman or a bank. So diretso yan. So for example, I would send money uh, I'm from Cebu, and then I would like to send money to Coach Lorna in Japan, no? Napakabilis ng transaction, no? And then di ko na kailangan mag-convert ng piso to yen para masin ko po sa kanya ang ipadala kong pera, because we are using a blockchain technology, a decentralized technology. So it means napakabilis ng transaction, walang border, walang middleman, at the same time, napakababa ng transaction fees. That is the advantage of a decentralized system. And Aurum is also a fintech company. Fintech means financial technology company who are using technology to send money from one person to another, no, to do transactions, no? Technology po yung ginagamit natin. So in the Philippines, one good example is GCash. No, GCash is a fintech company. Now, we are operating sa blockchain, di ba? Yung sistema natin naka-blockchain. So, we're dealing with digital assets. So, ito po yung evolution ng pera. So, it started in 6000 BC. No, wala pang paper money at that time. When we do transactions, no? Ang ginawa at that time is just a barter deals. Barter kayo ng mga goods. In 17th century, nag-evolve yung paper notes, and in 1969, nagsimula yung cheque. No? So nag-issue na tayo ng cheque kung mayroon tong babayaran. And in also during that time, lumalabas din yung mga plastic cards. No? Pwede tayong withdraw ng pera natin using our card. And in 1980 to 1987, nag-start yung online banking. We can send money through the internet. And then in 2020s, no, especially ngayon, we are now into digital currency. Hindi na po ito mapigilan, guys. In fact, in the future, no, money is in the form of digital na. So possibly, yung mga paper money is yung usage na medyo maliit na lang, kasi ang dami sa atin ngayon na gumagamit na ng digital money. Di ba? So that's a future. So dalawang major trend yung i-cover natin tonight, the artificial intelligence and the crypto currency. So ano ba talaga ang Aurum Foundation? Actually guys, aside from it is a decentralized and fintech company, Aurum is also a next generation ecosystem. It's an ecosystem, and under that system, no, kinukombine ni Aurum ang mga trading na AI powered, no, digital banking, no, mga trading agents, pati crypto payments and tokenized real world asset or uh, RWA. So this is a global financial infrastructure inside a one platform. No? It's a very amazing opportunity. And di po ako nakakita no, so far ng company like this for the past 10 years. Ngayon ako nakakita ng opportunity na ganito. No? Isang ecosystem lang. Now, ano ba yung goal natin dito with Oro? No? We can accumulate and grow digital assets, di ba? Fintech or finance company. So dito sa company na to, no, absolutely we can grow and accumulate digital assets, no, such that yung pera natin will start to work for us. So sa mahabang panahon, we work for money. So every day, no, day in, day out, nagtatrabaho tayo to have money. No? So we sacrifice a lot. We work more than 8 hours a day for that. No? And this time, no, dapat nating gamitin naman yung pera na naipon natin such that yung pera will work for us. And that exactly is the goal dito po sa Aurum Foundation. Kasi guys, no, naghihirap tayo na maka-earn ng money. And then what will happen if ano mo yung usual na mangyari pag nakaipon tayo ng pera, ilagay natin sa bank, 'di ba? Sa bangko natin inalagay hoping that our money will give us an income every year. But in reality, no, ang bangko lang pala yung kumikita sa pera natin, no? Our money is working for the bank. It's not really working for us. At ito na po yung panahon na yung pera natin totoong will work for us through this company. So, Coach Romel, if this is good, no, if Aurum is good, is this company license? Mayroon ba itong registration? Okay? Now, that's a very good question. In fact, ay mag-promote ng isang company, di natin alam kung saan bansa po siya registered. Kung walang registration, walang commitment. Ibig sabihin, at any time, pwede maglaho yung company, maglaho rin pera natin. But dito, no, I've really done research about this company. And right now, Aurum Foundation has 4 countries of registration. Ibig sabihin, meron silang license in this country. So first, in Poland, no? Meron tayong registration in Poland, in Dubai, UAE, meron tayong business registration in Hong Kong, no? Meron din tayong business registration, and also lately in Canada, no? In British Columbia, we have another business registration, and their plan, no? And their plan is to expand. But before that, gusto ko lang ipakita sa atin yung registration natin in Hong Kong. No? $1 million yung capitalization natin in Hong Kong. And this is the certificate of incorporation. And then also, makikita natin dito yung office ng Hong Kong office natin located in 230, no? Canton Road, Tsim Sha, Hong Kong. And ito naman yung certificate number. Our website is aurum.foundation. At ito naman yung corporate office natin in Dubai, no? Located in 806 the Tower, Dubai. No? So this is our corporate office to enter the US market in 2026. In 2027 kasi the US market is the biggest, no, the largest financial technology company in the whole world. Pag makapasok tayo diyan, lalong sasabog yung ating opportunity with Aurum Foundation. So their target is 2027. They are now preparing all the licensing and compliance process required to enter into the US market. And probably, so sabi ng ating mentor, no, the Philippines is also under the radar for business expansion. And then this IBT, guys, this is an International Business Times. This is a crypto magazine, no? And just this year in January 2026, no, they published this article, no, the top 10 crypto companies to invest in 2026. Highlight ko lang yung uh, lines wherein nabanggit yung company natin. So I that the 10 companies to invest in 2026 include Serenity, Aurum, BitSwap, Funhai, Metaspace, Tron, Ripple, Dogecoin, Chainlink, and Binance Coin. So nakahilera, no, yung company natin with this giant company in the crypto industry. And the second question, okay, the company foundation is very good. Now, sino naman yung nag-lead ng company? So, kailangan natin malaman sino sila, so that we will know how sure na ma-reach natin yung financial goals natin. So, this is headed by their CEO, Brian Benson. Now, Brian Benson, guys, is the former Binance director. No, he works for Binance to serve as the director in Latin America. And aside from that, he is also a Web3 pioneer with 27 years of experience dito sa blockchain, crypto, and decentralized finance. So sabi ni Brian Benson, no, Binance became a fintech unicorn. Pag sinabing fintech unicorn is become a billion-dollar company in just 1 year. And he said that we will take a more conservative approach. No? Target natin sa Aurum to become a fintech unicorn is in the next 3 years. And I'm sure kayang-kaya ma-achieve natin yung goal na yan. So aside from Brinson being an experienced working with Binance, he is also one of the key speakers sa mga malalaking crypto events. For example, Token 2049, this is the largest crypto conference in the whole world. No, every year po ito ginaganap. There are 5 speakers, key speakers in that event. No, one of them is Richard Teng, Binance CEO. Also the CEO of Tether, the CEO of KuCoin, the CEO of Tron, no? And Brian Benson is also one of the speaker. And also in the Global Blockchain Shoe Conference, also Brian Benson is one of the key speaker. At kasama din si Brian Benson's the Builders Roundtable panel discussion. Kung saan in that event, no, they talk about the future of Web3, the future of AI trading, and the future of blockchain technology. And aside from that, Brian Benson is also a member of Forbes Finance Council. And this is a very prestigious institution under Forbes. No? This is an exclusive membership na you will not be admitted kung wala ka talagang credentials in your respective field. Okay? And makita natin sa Twitter, no? For those who are a crypto lover, usually they have an account in Twitter. So makikita natin dito sa Twitter account ni Brian Benson na naka-badge. Meaning to say this is a verified account. Makikita natin dito, no? Na itong account ni Brian Benson, 2008 pa lang ito sa Twitter niya. And then just lately, no, in May of 2026, no, nabanggit ni Brian Benson sa Twitter account niya, about the launch of Nero or pinakita din ni Brian Benson, no, in his post sa Twitter is yung launch of Nero through our COO Andrew Isaacs. So guys, napakagandang company at napakaganda ang leadership. And most importantly, ito po ako actually 100% naging committed sa Aurum because talagang ng mentor natin, sila Sir Mars Lobido and Ma'am Jeannie, ang opisina in Dubai, wherein they also met our CEO, Brian Benson. No? Pag nakita natin sila, pag nakausap natin sila si Sir Mars Lobido, parang nakausap na rin natin si Brian Benson. And it is parang magkaroon tayo ng peace of mind that this company is really a legit company that's going to explode. No? So our COO is Andrew Isaacs. No? He has more than 18 years of experience dito sa traditional finance and uh, decentralized finance. No, he works with Galaxy, Evercore, and Morgan Stanley before. And then we also have Amit Zen, our marketing director, Shane Moran, our chief development officer. No, yun, ito makikita natin at the center. Ito po si Amit Zen. No, on the right of Amit Zen is Sir Mars Lubido and Ma'am Zini, his wife. This is uh, they are last week, no? They are in Tunisia uh, with a special leaders meeting sa Oro Foundation. Now, we also have Leonardo Galindez, Al Risky, no? Nicolas Kailan. We have our Venture Capital Advisory, Brent Fulfer, Tobias Bauer, no? We also have our uh, real world asset relationship advisor Nick Patel and Bukari Kaloko. As you can see here, Nick Patel is the CEO of Banca Bullion. No, he's an expert of gold trading and real world asset. He is our advisor about the real world asset. And also notice here, Bakari Kaloko, our chief of Africa relation. He is an ex-deputy finance minister of Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is a country wherein doon po yung mining partner natin sa ating gold. Okay? So, in total guys, there are 35 top professionals, no? Na talagang they are expert in the field of finance, blockchain and AI driven trading, no? Galing po sila sa company like Binance, Morgan Stanley, IBM, Bitget, OKX and Wise, no? The 35 professionals involved 8 data analysts, no? 10 software developers and 7 financial analysts, no? And each of them mayroon silang 12 years of experience sa kanilang respective field. So guys, dito pa lang, no, pinakita natin yung mga pictures, pangalan ng mga people who are starting this amazing company. And I don't think na they created this company for para lamang sa short period, no. This is really for a long-term objective. Itong Orom Foundation. And ito po yung latest achievement ng Orom Foundation. So far, no, ang asset management nila is nasa $600 million na. Ito po yung trading natin, no? Almost $1 billion na po ito. And then so far mayroon ng 8 product ang Orom Foundation at ang user nito worldwide nasa 170,000 pa lang ng clients and partners mo guys, no? And that is why if you're interested in promoting this business and the product ng Orom, we really have a very bright future for dito sa company na to. And ito po yung roadmap nila. So by 2027, no, target nila is to hit the $500 million asset under management. And as I have shown you earlier, pinakita ko kanina, nakuha na yan. Lumagpas na kasi yung asset under management natin is nasa $600 million na. So mean to say, yung 2029 na 50 billion kaya makuha natin, yung 100 billion in 2033 kaya makuha natin, yung $150 billion in 2035 kaya makuha natin. And this is 10-year roadmap, no, for this company. And din ang Orom Foundation. Okay? So first, meron tayong crypto cards. No, ang crypto cards natin is powered by Visa and Mastercard. Ang laman po nito is crypto asset, no? It could be USDT, it could be Bitcoin. So basta crypto yung laman dapat dito sa card natin. And then by using this card, you can withdraw and spend your crypto asset in cash. Kung nasa Pilipinas ka, you can withdraw it in piso. Kung nasa Japan ka, you can withdraw it in yen. Kung nasa US ka, you can withdraw it in dollar. So it's seamless, borderless. No, napaka daling gamitin ngayon yung ating crypto asset once we have this Orom Infinity card, no? At napakataas ng spending limit ito guys per month. That's $100,000. If you have $100,000 inside this card, you can withdraw that in a month's time or you can spend it, no, in a month's time. So, pangalawang product natin is the Aurum Exchange. No, marketplace for crypto. Wherein pwede tayo mag-buy and sell ng crypto, pwede tayo mag-scalping ng crypto, pwede tayo mag-hold ng crypto. No, especially na ang Bitcoin ngayon, tataas to trade or to hold the cryptocurrency. Then number 3, no? So we have a tokenized real world asset. So pag sinabing tokenize, yung mga real world asset like gold, real estate ay ginawang fractionalized para tayong mga ordinary person can invest in RWA. So the first RWA product in Aurum is gold, no? So pag nag-invest tayo dito sa RWA, meron itong 2-year investment model. The 50% goes into real gold discounted at 30%. So meaning ang worth ng gold mo is higher in value kasi at the time of purchase 30% discounted ka, di ba? And the other 50% goes to gold trading. So at the end of the year, you have your real gold at the same time meron kang kita sa gold trading. So for example, our minimum investment po dito sa RW is $100. So $50 goes to gold na discounted at 30%. So meaning to say, the value of gold at the time of purchase is nasa $70. And yung $50 goes to trading. At yung kita mo ng trading in a year is nasa 63.6%. No? So, if you combine the gold and the trading income, parang naging doble yung pera mo. No? Naging doble yung pera mo with this product, no? I-compare mo yan sa ano, pag nilagay mo lang yung $100 mo sa savings mo, pag nilagay mo lang yung product ay yung $100 sa wallet mo, in a year's time, imposibleng makaipon yan ng kahit 10% lang. But dito, ano, you can let your money work for you sa dito pa lang na investment sa RWA. Now, the higher is your investment capital, like $300, mas higher is your yield per year, nasa 65.7 hanggang sa pinakataas sa package natin, $25,000, our yield, nakita natin every year, nasa 78.3%. But guys, hindi ibig sabihin na yearly po yung calculation natin, na yearly din yung profit natin. No, for trading, the trading result is given every day. So makikita natin ang trading result sa gold every day. Papasok yan sa wallet natin. But of course, yung real gold, makukuha natin after a year. Kasi nakalock in ito for 1 year. The next product, ito yung the best product for me. Itong Aurum EXEI Trading Agents. It's a robot powered by AI. So, pag naka-AI yung robot mo guys, so bigyan mo lang ng data, he will learn the data, he will analyze the data, understand the data, manage for us, fast execution with proper risk management. So walang puyat ang pabasa ng chart. So we just kailangan lang natin mag-top up ng capital dito sa trading bot na to, and then it will do the trading for us. This is fully autonomous. Ibig sabihin, this is totally hands-free. Naglagay lang ka ng capital, siya na po bahala mag-trade, and we can see the result. Ang gawin lang natin, put up the capital, monitor the result, and withdraw. No? And this is proven for the last 2.5 years. No, napakaganda ng performance ng AI driven na bot na to, no, from February 2023 hanggang January of 2026. If you get the average, no, ang average niyan nasa 17.5% per month. But of course, yung 17.5% ay hindi naman makukuha natin lahat. No, meron yang company client sharing. Pag yung investment natin dito is $100 lang, that's 10.49% every 10.49% every month. Pag nasa 250 ka, that's 11.37 per month. Pag nasa 1,000 yung trading capital mo, like my mentor, no, Tatay Lito Rada, nasa 12.24% per month. Pag nasa $2,500 ka, that's 13%. The higher is your capital, the higher is your client share. Kahit dito lang tayo mag-stop sa $10,000. Your $10,000, you can earn $1,487 per month. Di ba? At ang kagandahan ng EI na to, pwede natin i-compound yung ating profit. For example, yung profit mo for a month, $14,000, no? This is an example, $10,000 na capital. Ang kita niyan is 1,487. Pag i-compound natin yan, ang kita natin for that month will be added to our capital in the next month. So maging 11,487. And then the kita for that second month is 1,708. At it will be added again doon sa third month. So depende sa iyo, no? So by default hindi naman naka-compound yung ano natin, yung income natin. So pwede natin hindi compound but if you choose to compound it kay gusto mong kumita yung kita mo. So it is our choice. And as you can see here, no? Pag we enable our compounding $14,000 capital, guys, no? In 5 months maging double yung ano natin 10,000. In 8 months, maging triple yung kita natin. At in 10 months, maging times 4 yung kita natin. After 12 months, maging times 5. Guys, where can we find an investment instrument like this that can easily times 5 our money in just 10 years, in just 1 year through compounding? No? Hindi basta-basta natin makikita itong opportunity na to. No? Other companies will not last 6 months, will not last 1 year, no? But dito, because of the leadership, no, the ecosystem that the company has built, no, and then the decency of income na bibigay nila sa atin, hindi masyadong mataas kasi pag masyadong mataas yung kita, delikado yan. Hindi naman masyadong mababa. It's a very decent, consistent rate of return sa capital natin. And again, with the power of compounding, no? With the power of compounding, kayang mag times 5 yung capital natin in just 1 year. But of course, for a lower capital like $100, pag $100 yung capital mo, nasa times 3.6 lang yan after 1 year. No? Pag nasa $250 yung capital mo, nagta times 4 yan in 1 year. So it depends on your capital, but nevertheless, even if nag-start tayo sa $100, who can give us times 3.6 ng ating $100 in 1 year? Di ba? And for the sake of transparency, itong EI na to, meron itong special operating regulations. Now, the minimum amount that we can withdraw is $25. No? So, hintayin natin na umabot ng $25 yung ating profit before we can withdraw. And withdrawal charge is only 1%. 1% plus the normal network fee. And mayroon itong 35% na termination fee. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng termination fee? Okay? The termination fee, guys, applies to our capital. Now, once we put in capital into this robot, HCI, carries a 365 contract. So pag you pull out your capital, kasi capital mo yan eh. What if merong emergency? If you pull out the capital within the 365 days contract, magsa-charge yan ng 35%. Why? Kasi guys, once you put up a capital dito sa trading, nagbabayad yan ng commission sa mga nag-refer sa atin. Nagbabayad ng rewards, ng commissions, at other incentives. Na if it will be abused, no? Naglagay tayo ng capital, kinabukasan withdraw natin. If ma-abuse yan, the company will collapse. Surely it will collapse. So napaka-fair naman yan. So since pera natin yan, so pag i-withdraw natin yung capital before the contract ends, so meron 35% termination fee. But after 1 year, wala naman charge doon. Yung regular lang na 1%. So again, it's a safety net for the company. But for the profit, walang ano, anytime basta naka $25 ka, you can withdraw it. Now, the next AI robot sa Aurum, EX-AI Pro. This is AI powered na. Ang kagandahan ng AI na to, no? You can withdraw anytime your capital. Wala itong 365 years contract at ang kita natin dito is up to 10%. But the requirement is you must have an active EXEI. So you cannot use this one pag wala kayong active na EXEI agent. And third, robot natin, this is product number 6, itong Zeus AI bot. So ano naman yung diferensya ng AI robot na to compared to the previous two? So ang kibahan nito is up to 50% yung profit niya per month. At the same time, wala din itong kontrata. Wala itong contract, no? Yung bot na to, and then it collects Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or PP, or DATS. So ang trading nito, ang kita nito is in the form of BTC or Ethereum or BNB. So parang nagkukulik tayo ng iba't ibang sikat na cryptocurrency. At yung sa dalawang bot, puro USDT yon. In dollars po yung kita noon. So ito po yung difference. So again, the difference of the Zeus AI is it collects, no? Yung profit niya is nasa BTC or Ethereum or BNB or PP or DOTS. Yung mga sikat na mga crypto asset ang tinitrade niya. And also the earnings is also on that particular crypto. So for example, gamitin mo si Zeus AI to trade for BTC. Kasi alam mo na 3 years from now magdodoble yung BTC. You can use Zeus AI to accumulate BTC for you. Okay? So again, wala itong this bot is wala itong contract. You can withdraw your capital and profit at any time. But again, kailangan lang meron kang standard na ACI bot that is active. And number 7, ito yung bagong and latest AI agent natin. This is our Nero. No, tinatawag itong non-custodial kasi ang connection nito is direct from your wallet, crypto wallet, direct to Nero. Hindi na po siya dadaan sa ano po natin sa Aurum na back office natin na wallet. So direct po ito doon sa Nero or trading agent. Then this is nasa beta testing pa lang ito, guys. Hindi pa ito fully fully available to public, no? Naka-beta testing pa lang ito. Pero ang result niya for the past 3 months, no, nasa 30% yung kita every month. So if you invest 1,000, siguradong meron kang $300 every month. So again, this is a trading agent that uses aggressive strategy and naka-beta testing pa lang ito. If you want to use this one, you can do so as long as meron kang active AI agent na robot natin. And number 8, meron tayong digital banking. Digital banking is just like CoinsPH, no? Just like GCash, wherein makikita natin na dito yung balance natin ng crypto wallet. We can also transfer crypto to another. We can also activate our cards. No? We can top up our cards. Makikita din natin yung live trading results at makikita din natin yung mga AI robots natin that we are using. No? So, and this one is our upcoming product. No? Itong Aurum POS system natin. This is a physical product, a POS which accept crypto and crypto cards as payment. And also we have this upcoming ATM machine. And then meron tayong coming na RWA na real estate. Ito real estate naman na pwede kang magabili ng $100 worth of tokenized real estate in Bali, Indonesia. And coming soon also the partnership of Aurum dito sa Tangem. Tangem is a cold wallet. It's a cold crypto wallet wherein your wallet, kung may pera ka na sa crypto doon sa Tangem, no, it is not always connected to the internet. No, you can connect that to the internet kung may mag-transact ka, mag-add ka or mag-withdraw ka. So this is not like the traditional wallet na anytime 100% all the time connected to the internet, but ito is you can by default naka-off po ito sa internet. So this is very safe And this is a coming partnership with Orom Foundation. Coach Romel, no? Okay, so I already understand the pagaganda ng company, very promising. No, they have real registration, business registration. They have real and amazing product. Paano ako magsimula? Ano, pagagandang tanong yan. So how to get started? It's very simple. Kailangan mo muna magbayad ng $19.99 per year na subscription. Because this is a subscription business, just like Netflix. You cannot watch movie under Netflix kung hindi ka nagbabayad ng subscription. So, in Orom, ganun din, no? Ang kagandahan, it's yung mga products natin hindi binibinta, no? No, ang binibinta lang is yung subscription, and after subscribing to $19.99 per year, no? We can use any or all of our products, and then gawin mo, you top up your account, then let AI trade for you. So just set it, pwede mong kalimutan yan, and then watch it slowly, and then kung gusto mo mag-withdraw, you can withdraw your asset once it reaches the minimum requirement of $25. Now, and this is my recommended bot. Ito po yung gagamitin natin, ha? So, ito yung standard natin na proven for 2.5 years, pero compounding at napaka-stable ng kitaan. So, if kaya niyo mag-start ng $250, yung kita niyo every day, that's $1. So, you can withdraw every 25 days. But if you want to compound, maging times 4 yung pera mo in just 1 year. Okay? And if you have extra fund, no? Aside from availing sa availing the XEI standard, kung may extra fund ka, the minimum for this EI agent is $250. No? So, ito yung suggestion ko palagi sa mga friends natin na gusto mag-invest, no, sa mga trading agents both natin. Number one, you must have first the standard, yung EXEI natin, no? That kaya magdubli ang pera mo in just 5 to 6 months. Kaya mag times 5 in 1 year. And then that's compounding. So you can use that XEI for compounding. And if you have another extra cash of $250, you can invest in Nero for withdrawing naman. So meron kang compounding for long term, meron ka namang withdrawing every week or every month. So at least, no? At least hindi lang tayo puro compounding. So dapat we can also enjoy the profit from our trading using EI. Okay? And the next question is, can I make money without recruiting people? Or is money working for me? The answer is yes. Okay? Kasi guys, once you top up your account, okay, nagtitrade ka using our trading agents, no, you become an investor. You become an investor. Your money will work for you. No? So it's up to you to become a business owner if you want to share the products and opportunity to your friends. It's up to you. But ang pinaka-importante is dito ka sa investor. If you're now an employee dito sa Pilipinas or outside the Philippines, you trade your time for money. Kung meron ka namang business, like real estate, no, you are skilled man, no? You are trading your skills for money. Kung may business ka naman, you're a business owner, you are buying time from other people for you to make money. But dito sa Aurum Foundation, automatically, you are an investor. And money will start working for you even while you sleep. Napaka-importante yan. Nakikita tayo habang natutulog. Kasi sabi ni Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. No? And now, we are into this very good opportunity, combining digital currency and AI and artificial intelligence. No, napaka-perfect ng timing natin, guys. So, paano naman ako makapag-withdraw ng asset ko or ng profit ko? Napaka-simple. Sa website natin, sa back office natin, there is a withdraw button there. Just click on it, no? As long as nag-qualify ka sa minimum withdrawal of $25, ilagay mo lang yung wallet address mo, This is USDT wallet address na pwede mong kunin from GCash, from CoinsPH. If wala pa kayo experience niyan, I can assist, no, with you on how to create that one. Then once meron na, lagay mo dito, click continue, and then boom. Within 48 to 72 hours, pasok yung commission mo. So it will take 2 to 3 days, no, para makuha natin yung withdrawal natin. So why? Bakit ganon? Kasi ang company, mayroon tayong third party company that handles our trading capital and payout. So dadaan yan sa audit para masiguro na yung withdrawal ay wala na yun sa trading capital. At isisin yun sa wallet account ng mga members. So there's no problem so far about withdrawals, maliban lang yung kung na-hack yung account mo at ang iba yung nag-withdraw, but 100% absolutely wala tayong problema sa withdrawal. Maliit man yan or malaking amount of withdrawal. Okay, so coach, ano naman yung mga risk dyan na expose tayo? If you're talking about scam risk, risk go na mas scam po tayo, wala po dito yan. Kasi walang scam na company that will waste their money for the registration of $1 million per country just to stop the operation. So wala. So pag yung isang company is registered not only in one country but in multiple countries, they have invested a lot. So when you see they are here for long term, no? So napaka-calculated ng risk kasi napakatotoo yung company at napakaganda ng vision nila to help people earn money using the technology. Yung dalawang major trend, cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. So the risk that we are exposed to is yung normal risk. So wag din natin ilagay lahat dito, no? Even if the company is very good, so it is also safe to say not to put your money in one basket. No? So do not put all your money also here in Aurum, no? Although it's proven this is a very legit and a very good company. Now, in Aurum guys, no, in Aurum there is only one ecosystem. Isang infrastructure, isang platform, but there are two rules. Pero pareho sila with unlimited income potentials. So the first rule is just be a client. No? Pwede ka client ka lang. Gumagamit ka ng trading EI natin. You put up a capital, focus ng capital mo. Kung gusto mong malaki ang kita mo every month, palakihin mo yung capital mo. Just top up every now and then kung may extra ka. So focus on that. But if you're like us, like me, be a partner. A partner is someone that who built a global network of clients and partners. And there's so much potentials of being a partner. Diba? So it's your options. It's your options. Ang importante, matulungan po tayo ng company na to grow our money. No? And then if you have time, you can join as a partner. But actually the partner is the partner program is also free for a client. So talagang optional na lang natin yan to build. No? Importante kumikita tayo every day, even if we are a client. So for those who are to become a partner, I would like to do a partner program ng Aurum that is really, really good. Napakaganda ng program na to. So there are 5 ways to earn as a partner. No, we are well compensated. So pag nag-invite ka ng gagandahan dito guys, you can just bring in your friends dito eh. So tulungan natin na dadami yung mga guests natin dito sa Zoom because this is my commitments every night, no? Every night meron tayong regular schedule kaya lang minsan, no, hindi tayo aabot sa 8:30. 8:30 talaga yung target natin but when we are outside, may mga tao din nagre-register and then malayo yung lugar natin sa bahay natin. So, minsan madili tayo like today, no? Nag-start na tayo ng alas 10. So, there are 5 ways to earn dito sa partner program ng Aurum. First is direct sales. direct sales is direct referral. If you refer your friend na gusto din kumita with EI, yun, kikita ka ng up to 18.5% direct sales commission. Yung pangalawa, yung team sales. The team sales is pag yung mga referrals mo nagre-refer din, no? Meron kang override doon up to 18.5%. And then extra bonus, guys, napaka ganda ng bonuses natin. Napakalaki ng mga bonuses natin. Number 4 is profit share. So once your referrals make money to trading, meron ka ding profit override from them up to 30%. And the last one is the shareholder bonus. Ang shareholder bonus is once you hit a certain rank dito sa Orong, kasama ka na sa bonus distribution every quarter. So let's dive into details, guys, no? So this is our rank, Orong Nova, no, sa left side, and then the next column is the legacy volume or LV. So, and the third column is the capital in USDT. Ito po yung capital in USDT. And then, paano ba mag-calculate ng LV? That's only 40%. So, 75 times 40%, that is your LV. So, ginagamit natin yung LV to determine our rank. Di pa tayo nagbe-base dito sa USDT in rank calculation. So, you can see in your back office yung LV requirement. So, again, the LV is just 40% of the trading capital. Okay? And then for the sake of discussion, we will use LV. So once your LV becomes 3,000, this is a team yan. Ha? Hindi galing sa direct mo. Pati direct mo until infinity. Once it reaches 3,000 LV, you will become a Voyager. Your direct commission will become 5%. Pag nag-refer ka, ang kita mo sa referral mo is 5%. Diba? So kung 5% ka and then mayroon kang mga directs na nasa 3% pa lang, so pag yung 3% na team mo, ay nakapasok sila ng member din na nagtitrade. So kikita sila ng 3% sa capital, meron kang difference sa 2%. That is what we call team sales. The difference of your commission between the commission of your team. So ano yan? Team sales yan. And then kailangan mo lang ng trading capital 100 for you to become a Voyager, and then you will get another $100. Okay? Yung meron kang $100 sa trading capital, and then bibigyan ka ng $100 na bonus. And then you will also get 5% profit from the team profit starting from the rank of Voyager. Okay? So nahit natin yung Voyager rank in 2 months, and we are now looking forward to becoming a Vanguard. Ang Vanguard naman, kailangan ko ng 10,000 LV to become a Vanguard. No? My percentage will become 7%. No? Pag ako naka-direct, meron akong 7% na direct referral at meron naman akong team sales sa mga team ko na hindi pa 7%. And then I need to have a $300 in my trading capital, no? For me to get a $500 bonus. No? So maliit lang yung capital ko, pero ang makuha kong bonus is $500. And then my profit share override is now 7.5%. Now, once my LV becomes 25,000, I will become a Vanguard Pro. As a Vanguard Pro, 9% na po yung direct commissions ko. I need to have a 750 contribution sa trading, but I will get $1,000 reward. At maging 10% na rin yung profit override ko sa team. Now, once I hit the 50,000 LV, I will become a Nexus. And then my direct sales commission will become 10.5%. I need to have a 1.5 trading capital, but I will get $2,000 in bonus. At yung profit override ko sa team maging 12.5%. Now, when my LV becomes 100,000, I will become an Oracle. Mag 12% na yung direct referral ko. I need a 3,000 sa trading capital, but I will get $5,000 bonus. At maging 15% na yung profit override ko sa team. And then kasama na ako sa shareholder bonus at 0.15%. No? Oracle talaga yung pinaka-the best na rank natin i-achieve ASAP kasi nandun yung lahat ng mga kitaan. Now, once your LV becomes 250,000, you will become a prime. As a prime, your direct commission will become 13.5%. You need to have a $6,000 trading capital, at you will get $10,000 in bonus. At yung profit override mo sa team maging 17.5%, and then yung profit, yung shareholder bonus mo kasama ka na sa 0.2%. Guys, hindi lang nagtatapos sa prime yung ranking ng Aurum, no? You can hit elite, elite to Magnat, to Mythos, to Legend, Dominion, Archon, Pantheon, and Alpha. At dito lang tayo mag-focus sa reward. As an elite, your reward will be 20,000. As a Magnat, you will receive $50,000 reward. As a Mythos, you will get $100,000 reward. As a Legend, you get $150,000 reward. As a Dominion, you will get $500,000 in reward. For Archon, you will get $1 million in reward. For Pantheon, you will get $2 million reward. And for Alpha, you will get $3 million reward. Grabe. No? Ang laki ng mga incentives. But maybe you will ask me, may mga tao na ba na mga nakahit ng chat? Ang dami ako. Wager pa lang, first date pa lang. Pero yung mentor natin from California, they're Filipinos from California, si Ma'am Zini and Sir Marsh Lobido, they are now a Magnat level. Going Mythos na po sila. As a Magnat level, no? They receive $50,000 each last month. At yung sponsor nila, si Suman, no? Suman is a legend in rank. He already received $150,000 in bonus. And then yung sponsor ni Suman is HP from Ireland. He is a Pantheon level, no? He already received his $2 million reward. And the sponsor of HP is Tom Smith from Germany. Now this guy wearing a red cap, no? He's the first Alpha, and then he got his $3 million reward last month. Wow, di ba? And then if you sum it all, sa rewards lang ha, yung pag-usapan natin, pag sumada total natin yung rank up bonus, knowing $8 million in cold cash. Diba? Hindi pa kasama yan yung direct sell bonus mo, hindi pa kasama yung profit sharing mo, hindi pa kasama yung shareholder bonus, at lalo na hindi pa kasama yung income natin from our own trading. Lang yung pinag-usap is worth the effort share. How to share to all our friends. Ang kagandahan, no? Even hindi sasali ka earning already. Mayroon tayo ipapakita sa kanila that we are really earning. Okay? And then as a network marketer, no, for more than 25 years, paano ba ma-achieve natin yung alpha? And the secret 3, kailangan natin mag-build ng 3 lines, 3 directs. Kung mayroon kang more than 3, ibigay mo na sa ilalim yung 3. So, get your 3 ASAP, no? And then duplicate, no? And then guys, if all of us can get our first 3 in 1 month, and then tulungan natin yung 3 that we can also get their 3 in the first month, we will become an alpha in just 14 months. Just 14 months. Sabihin natin, kahit 20 months maging alpha tayo, or 28 months, still a very huge money, no, waiting for us. Okay? So, ngayon, no, we have to ponder, we have to analyze, no, as a review na rin to. Why join Aurum Foundation? No, bakit natin kailangan mag-join dito? So first, for a company, success big company, it will follow 4 stages. Yung formulation stage, yung concentration stage, yung momentum stage, at saka stabilization stage. At nandito pala tayo sa concentration stage. Wala tayo guys sa momentum. No? Once we hit this momentum phase, ay grabe. No? Kung ilan po yung number of T mo, pag lumagpas, pag na-hit natin yung momentum stage, sasabog yung volume natin, aangat yung rank natin. So this is the right time to build. No? It's the right time to build dito sa concentration stage. Now, kung ang company na sinalihan natin, if Aurum condition is walang registration, if Aurum condition walang totoong leadership, puro pira-pira lang, what will happen guys is wala po yung stabilization. no? Yun po yung nangyari sa mga companies ngayon na walang registration, walang totoong people behind. Once they hit the momentum stage, dumadami na sila. After that, they will collapse. Because it is designed to collapse pag wala kang registration. Pag mayroon kang business registration, you are destined for the future. Pero kung wala kang business registration, dalawa yung problema mo eh. Yung government registration. Pangalawa, yung payout rate. Kaya just collapse. So we are a licensed company at we are in the good hands of our leader. Okay, and then also, just for the sake of comparison, kasi ang daming mga investment companies din ngayon na pampasok sa Pilipinas na walang registration. So, Aurum Foundation is napaka-transparent natin. So, pwede natin ma-verify yung ating company registration. Pwede natin ma-verify yung mga pangalan ng ating mga leaders. And then pangalawa, easy to see transaction. Ang daling tingnan ng mga transactions natin sa back office natin. At wala tayong copy and pasting. No? Walang copy-paste. At wala tayong asking permission na, sir, gusto ko na mag-withdraw. No? Paki-enable naman yung withdrawal ko. Wala, naka-smart contract po tayo. And then number 5, yung links natin ay hindi nagbabago. Okay? Yung iba mababago kasi binablock yung kanilang links. And in number 6, talagang mayroon tayong live trading. And number 7, napakababa ng ating withdrawal fee, only 1%. And lastly, we have 8 products under sa ecosystem natin. And lastly po, no, we have yung tinatawag natin na pillar of success. Number 1, we have number 1, right industry. Nasa right industry po tayo. Cryptocurrency plus artificial intelligence. No? Yun po yung mga major trend right now. Pangalawa, right company. No, registered company. No? And then they are expanding globally into US countries in particular. Rightly, napaka-expert ni Ryan Pinson pag-forum to the next level. No? There are more than 35 leaders na nagtutulong para maging unicorn si Aurum Foundation. Number 4, we have right products. So, bakit maganda yung products natin? Kasi yung product natin, guys, no? Yung first product natin, crypto cards. Ano po yung output ng crypto cards? Di ba? Pera. Kung mag-trade tayo, ano po yung output sa trading? Pera. Kung gumamit tayo ng mga training bots, yung 4 na robots natin, ano ba yung output niyan is pera. Yung neobank natin, digital banking natin, ano ba yung output ng neobank is still pera. So our money, our product is money. So kung product mo is pera, kumikita ka ng pera, pwede kang bumili ng anong iba't ibang klaseng, kahit anong gusto mong bilhin para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo, like supplements. Gusto mong mag-take na magandang ng high-end na food supplements, so gamitin mo yung income mo dito sa trading to buy that supplements. No? Gusto kang mag-build ng house, gusto kang bumili ng mga electric vehicles, pwede mo makuha yan because yung products natin mismo ay gumagawa ng pera. Diba? Through cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. And lastly, we are in the right place at the right time. Nasa ano pa lang tayo eh. Nasa formulation stage pa lang tayo. No? Less than 1,000 pa lang yung members natin dito sa Pilipinas. No? And being a partner is just an optional. Now, ang challenge ko lang sa inyo guys, you have to do your own research. No? Before joining Aurum. So ako, I also done my research. Talagang ano ba yung, since AI yung ano natin eh, yung one of our topics. So ginamit ko rin yung Grox at saka GPT to check Aurum Foundation. So para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ipakita ko na lang dito yung findings ko before ako nag-decide to join Aurum Foundation. So ito yung findings ko guys ha. When I ask AI to check about Aurum Foundation, ito po yung binigay niya sa akin. No? Aurum Foundation is a crypto decentralized finance fintech platform promoting AI-powered trading. No? Web3, neobank, crypto debit cards, liquidity, which is true. Ito yung claims na binigay ni Grooks. Products, AI trading bots, XEI, ZOS, no, automated will claim strong returns. Ang team is Brian Binson, Andrew Isaac as the CEO. And then mayroong registration dito sa Canada. So this is true. This is true. Pero may nakalagay dito ng mga red flags. No? May red flags. So i-check natin yung red flags. So ang Bank of Russia daw nag-warn na it could be a sign of pyramid. So remember, wala pa tayong registration sa Russia. So normal lang yan na mag-warn yung government dyan. Also in Nigeria, may ano din, may issue warnings about Oro na Ponzi daw kasi may kita per month, no? So again, we have no license yet in Nigeria. Sa New Zealand, ganun din. Ang mga investor kinukusyon doon sa New Zealand government, no, about Oro. Kasi wala din tayong registration pa sa New Zealand. Pati sa Pilipinas, guys, wala pa tayong registration. But that's why tayong mga partners and clients ng Orong do not post Orong doon sa social media natin. Why? Pag nag-post tayo sa social media, makikita yan, i-report yan. So, baka bigyan din tayo ng warning ng government natin. No? So, since nasa crypto naman tayo, artificial intelligence, kahit wala pa tayong registration sa Pilipinas, we can still do this business. Kasi naka-online based naman ito. Hintayin natin before tayo mag-ingay sa social media, yung ating registration. Di ba? So, we can still do this business while waiting for our registration. So, nangyari dito sa Bank of Russia, Nigeria, at saka New Zealand, kasi yung mga tao doon, nagpo-promote ng Aurum doon sa social media, pinakita yung income nila, pinakita yung result nila sa trading, pinakita yung pangalan ng Aurum, kaya nag-warning eh. No? Nag-warning. Kaya sa US, napaka-strict ng Aurum, binablock talaga ni Aurum ang US para hindi tayo mahirapan makagawa ng registration doon. Kasi pag malaman ng US government na nag-promote na pala tayo doon and then nag-secure sila ng license, hindi tayo pwede mabigyan ng license. Pero on the other side, guys, nandito naman yung Trustpilot. Ang Trustpilot naman shows a positive results, 4.1 out of 5. Di ba? So, mean to say, meron ding mga nagbigay sa atin ng good review. Sa YouTube, makikita mo lang dyan na mayroong vlogger dyan na nagsasabing mayroon ng problema sa withdrawal. Hinahack daw yung mga account. So, kaya nga nag-activate strictly ang Aurum sa 2FA authenticator because of hacking. Pero in terms of withdrawal, guys, no, yung sponsor natin, one of our sponsors, si Sir Mars Lubido, wala namang problema sa withdrawal. More than 1 year na po sila nag-withdraw. Kahit isa wala itong walang problema. Okay, so yun yung advice ng EI. So if you want to invest in Aurum daw, so just invest what you can afford. Actually, guys, no, sasabihin natin kanina, every class its own risk. So, ang kagandahan na ng Aurum, yung scam risk, di natin dito ma-experience yan. And we are not a Ponzi scheme program kasi ang kita natin dito is galing naman sa trading. And we are a licensed company and we have a real leaders, no, running this business. So, guys, spread the good news, no? Bukas meron din tayong Zoom at 8:30. So sana dito tayo malilate bukas. So use this platform, use this time, use this opportunity na makapag-invite tayo ng mga friends natin at saka team natin para they will be informed, no, about Aurum Foundation. And they can also ask question kung meron silang nakikita ng mga concern about our business. Okay, so i-check natin yung ating chat kung mayroong mga questions before we adjourn. Okay, so ayun, si Coach Lorna, no, palaging nandito talaga. Thank you, Coach Lorna, for supporting our event. So that team of Coach Lorna is growing. So kahapon may no, and then we also have here Coach Andrew, no, Ma'am Bernadette, and of course Sir Danny Sarmiento is also a client. Is also sa earning na dito sa ating EI. And si Ma'am Ilani Nakada, no, will be sending more capital para sa ibang accounts ni Ma'am. We have here Global Alpha and si Jack, no, from Dipolo, si Coach Pam and Coach RVS. Okay, so thank you so much guys na kahit alas 10 na tayo naka-start, nandito pa rin kayo. So I see the dreams, yung nakita ko yung mga pangarap mo dito by joining our webinar. So ang kailangan lang natin is share this with your friend. And then kita-kits po tayo every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday dito sa ating webinar. Okay, so wala na mga katanungan. No, let's call it a night and thank you so much for being here. Abangan po yung ating recorded nito and please share it with your friends and relatives. So thank you so much. Bye for now and God bless po sa ating lahat.
Thank you po, sir.